Hello, this is AJ McDonald with McDonald Financial Services, and I got Devin Jones here in the office, and we're going to talk to you about what's been going on this week in the economy. Politics is hard to keep track of, but we're going to touch on that. Most importantly, we got the NCAA basketball tournament this week, so pretty exciting stuff.
Yeah.
You want to start with politics? How's that going?
Let's not start with politics. My goodness, but politics, yeah. There's a little movement there. Obviously, there's never a dull moment. Certainly, with the new administration, there's a lot of things happening. So a lot of movement.
There is. We've kind of had this week the on again, off again, on again tariffs. Those are going to start next week, April 2nd. I believe Trump is calling it Liberation Day.
He is.
So going to be retaliatory tariffs on every country that puts tariffs on us.
Right.
So the stock market, it's been hot and cold on that topic for sure.
Sure has been. Yeah. Any traction that we've been getting in the market seems like it kind of gets put to a grinding halt as soon as we hear new news about new tariffs. Yesterday, obviously, there was some news about auto dealers and any car that is in parts that are not made in the U.S. are going to have a 25% tariff attached to them. So certainly, or applied to them. So certainly that has stalled the market out a bit over the last couple of days.
Yeah. So our philosophy is to stay the course. We think that these tariffs are really going to be a negotiating tool. Unlikely to be around at the end of the year. Certainly not in the same type of rate that we currently are expecting. So we're going to stay the course, continue to monitor things, etc. Now, we also got some bad news on consumer sentiment this week. It's at a 12-year low.
Right. Yeah, we did get some bad news on that front.
So
although it didn't affect the market.
No, it didn't affect the market on that particular day.
On that day.
So we are seeing consumers are getting more and more nervous about the potential of a recession. We're still in the camp that we don't think there's going to be a recession this year. However, recessions can be brought about kind of as a self-fulfilling prophecy. If enough people think there's a recession happening, they stop spending money, and then more people stop spending money, and before you know it, boom, you're in a recession. So the Fed has met last week, reiterated that they're going to kind of wait and see. They're still expecting 2 rate cuts this year, but a lot of things are still up in the air.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, that certainly did help the market last week. We did break a 4-week losing streak last week, so the market was positive last week, and so far this week we're kind of up and down. But sentiment can certainly spur a recession when the numbers don't show it at the time. But certainly we're keeping a close eye on that.
That's right. Lastly, this weekend we're going to find out who's going to be in the NCAA Final Four. We have many of you that are watching that are in our bracket challenge. So good luck to you. I'm not going to tell you who I'm going to root for.
No, me either.
No. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give the office a call, and have a great weekend.